Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial in my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking on spot trading, okay? And I'm going to be sharing my best strategy which I use for trading spots, okay? So now, if this is your first time with me on this channel, just know this Trade with Degreat YouTube channel, and in my channel I document videos on crypto, forex, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do also subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop new content on my channel. So in order not to waste much of our time, let's dive into what we have in here today, alright? So now we are going to be talking on spot trading, and spot trading happens to be one of my best trading strategy, okay? So, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy which I used in trading spot, okay? Now, spot trading is all about buying a particular token and holding in order to make a specific gain out of it. Spots can be traded in so many ways, but this one now I'm going to be showing you the best way to trade it. I have so many strategies which I use in making money on spot, but I want to show you one of the best in this particular video, all right? So now, you know, some of you that do trade spots, you trade blindly, whereby you know that yes, maybe in a specific period of time this particular coin is going to rise. You believe that every coin will never go down, that it will keep rising. Well, in some cases it's like that, because there are some people who bought Bitcoin for the past 3 years or so, and now they are making big profits, okay? So but all coins doesn't happen that way. So in this case, we are not going to be buying blindly. So those who buy coins blindly are those who hope to like hold for a long term, and those who have the money they can afford to lose and just leave it there. And one sweet thing about spot trading is that you can't lose your money, okay? Your money only depreciates in value. That's the only difference. So any coin that goes down, just know that it will surely come up and you get back your initial deposit. And the difference between spot and future is that in futures you can get liquidated. You hereby place this particular money. Once it liquidates, your money is gone and you can't get it back again unless you risk another money to trade another pair, okay? So now I'm going to be sharing with you that strategy, and this is what I do. All I do is I pick one of the coins, one of the cryptocurrency, top cryptocurrencies, and I analyze this particular cryptocurrency. So right now, looking at this particular pair right now, so one thing I want you to know is that analysis in FX, that's forex trading, and analysis in crypto trading is the same, okay? The way you analyze in crypto is the same way you analyze in forex, okay? But there are strategies that works for different pairs and different cryptocurrencies, which you yourself should be the one to spot out, okay? So you can best do your analysis in the crypto exchange, or you go into the trading view and do your analysis there, anyone that suits best for you. For so many people, they could like go into the trading view in order to like analyze right there. But so right now I'm going to be doing it on the particular exchange, okay? So now this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be analyzed. Take for an instance, if you look at this particular pair right now, you see that this particular pair is giving us a falling wedge. So all I'm going to be doing is, you come here, you get your trend line. So I'm going to be making this trend line multiple so as to see everything clearly, okay? So now we draw. So we are going to be drawing this trend line right here, just so. And I'm going to be telling you all you're going to be expecting from this particular market, this BGB token, okay? So now if as I've gotten my trend line, I make sure I place it correctly. So if I place it correctly now, So I'm still getting another one now. So I place correctly. So now, what are we expecting from this particular market right now? We are expecting a breakout, and you can see that this market has hit the resistance already. So now what you are going to be doing is expecting a breakout, a perfect breakout. So there are ways to spot a perfect breakout, because this particular one right now is a fake out already. Okay, so if you see this now, you could think that this is a breakout, whereas it's a fake out. So now this is is approaching this line, but wait for a perfect breakout. To wait for a perfect breakout, there must be a retest in every safe breakout. There are people who trade aggressively breakout, but there is a safe breakout. Okay, so right now, if you had entered at this particular price, it hits 4.29. Okay, by now you should be making profit. Let's say you have about $400 in this particular trade. Let's say you just bought this coin with your $400, and this from this particular price, and he had to reach this yes, he had to reach this particular price. You should be making a decent amount of profit. Okay, so now the next thing is, once you see a breakout and it retests, you buy the token and you keep watching on it to see. You have a level where you are going to be closing. Everything is going to be done manually, or you set your sell limit. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you all that soon. So now let me show you a perfect breakout, so that as to confirm what I'm talking about. So this is a W pattern. This particular one here is a W pattern right here, and this seems like a divergence pattern. Okay, so right now, what did you see? There was the W pattern formed right here. This is a pattern, and one of the things I like trading on this particular spot is the pattern trading strategy. Okay, so now I wait for a breakout first. Now what happened? Let me bring my trend line. Okay, or my horizontal line right here. So if we bring in our horizontal line to the next side, you see the fact that this particular token had to retest. What happened here? It had to retest this neckline, and what did you see? Boom, the market started moving up and up and didn't come back. So now, if I had bought at this particular zone, this price, at this price now, it's seen at let's see, let's check for the price right now to see what price it hits. So now look at the price right now. If you look at it, you see that this particular price was seen at 4.22. Okay, this is 4.22, and at this price, if you bought at this price 4.22 and it got up to this price 4.35, that means that if you add like, so because this particular trading strategy I'm showing you guys, you're going to be needing at least $100. Okay, so if you like bought with your $100, you should be making a decent amount of profit, right? So, but I'm going to be telling you one thing. One thing for sure is this. Now, okay, for your $4, you got to make every 30 cents. Let's just see how many percent it got from here to this point. So if we like, how many percent from here? So it's like right here, it was seen at the price of 4.23. Okay, 23, and it goes to 4.25. Let's say about 10 cents. If you say 10 cents from let's say you add $4, you just bought one, you add 10 cents. Okay, so imagine this $4 times 10. Wait, let's make a quick calculation, right? So let's make a quick calculation right now. So imagine 10 cents times by 10 we give you $1, and you bought about 10 worth of it at the price of $2. 4.23 times by 10, that is about $42. Now if you and it gets to 4.35, okay, so if we put it there, so you should be making about $1 or so, so $2 or so in profit. So imagine the amount. It depends on the amount you invested. All right, so imagine you invested something bigger like $100 in this particular trade. You should be making a reasonable figures. And the thing is that you are not just going to be relying on one particular pair. I'm going to be showing you one trick. Okay, we are going to be focusing on coins that have low values, okay, in dollars. So that's where you are going to be making the huge profits. Those coins that have low values, that's where you are going to be making the huge profit. Take for an instance, I'm going to be showing you one example right now. So now let's get to one coin that has a very low values in dollar. Okay, now let's first of all take for an instance this particular Pi. When I traded Pi, I just bought Pi at the price of $4. No, yes, we just my $3. So, and as I bought at that price of $3, right now I'm going to be showing you where I bought this Pi, because I saw it that it's going to rise. I didn't just buy Pi blindly. You can see Pi is doing a big rise right now, okay? So I didn't just buy it blindly. I bought at this price. Let's move to 4 hours so as to see everything clearly. So this was where I bought this particular price right here. I bought at the time it was sitting at 1.59, okay, and the thing had to get to $3, and I made double of my money. Whereas that if you had $100, you would have doubled it, and this thing happened in a space of 1 to 2 days. That was in 24 hours or 48 hours. This had to happen. So you can also do that with many other coins, but I'll advise you look out for coins with low values. Let's take for an instance this particular coin called X. So if I want to trade X right now, this is what I'm going to be doing. If I go into X and I'm going to be analyzing X, right? So I will analyze X. Takes for an instance here, you bought at this price. After analyzing, seeing the fact that X is going to rise, you bought at that price and it had to rise up. Man, you are in profit. So the only thing how to make money here is come in, look out for opportunities and hop in. You keep watching the trade. Once it increases in profit, boom, you are out, okay? So to look out for more cool opportunities, you have to be stepping down to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 30 or 1 hour, okay? So that's where you can spot opportunities, right? All right, so that's the particular strategy for it, and I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, you have to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell as well. So see you in my next video. Bye.